Amy here with another Imperfect Foods unboxing. So Imperfect Foods takes the stuff that is not perfect for the grocery store. For some reason, it's close to the expiration date. It's not cosmetically appeasing or appealing, but it's still perfectly edible. So you just buy it through Imperfect and it reduces food waste. Let's see what we have in my box this week. Lots of fun stuff. Okay, start with butter lettuce. I love butter lettuce for lettuce cups or for salads. Just incredible. It's my favorite lettuce, I think. Apparently I ordered some coffee. I don't recall doing it, but got some coffee. I don't recall ordering it, but we have it. It has baker's chocolate, roasted hazelnut, cherry, and nougat. Those are the tasting notes. It's Brazilian, anytime blend. I don't know, maybe they sent me a birthday present. Then, I always like to get something in my box that, you know, I normally wouldn't buy if I got it at the grocery store. So, we're gonna try these crimson lentils. I have no experience in cooking lentils. So if you have tips for lentils, please let me know. I got some good tips for the eggplant last week. And also the week before, I had the immunity boost, and that was a miss. Oh, we have instructions for cooking the lentils. But if you have like, suggestions for dishes and stuff, please let me know. And we have some quick cooking brown rice. I'm trying to get some more rice. Whole grains into my diet, so this is an easy way. Again, cooking instructions. If you have ideas so that I can flavor it up, please let me know. These little potatoes, I love them. They're little creamer potatoes. They're so great. You can chop them up and make like home fries. You can boil them and make mashed potatoes. I've done both. And we have couple red peppers, some plums. I love stone fruit season. I haven't gotten any pears in a while, so let's have some pears. Whoop. A couple pears. Another thing I got, which I think I'm going to do with the brown rice, I think I'm going to cook it in coconut milk and then add some mango. There we go. And they're plum. Whoop. We have, some more in here. We got some carrots. I like to chop those up. Have carrot sticks. And then we got a couple lemons. If you're wondering what that crinkling is, it is the cold pack, so that when you send the cold items, you have them. Okay, let's see what we have. We have some shrimp pieces. So sometimes if like the tail falls off or breaks off or something, they can't sell it to the grocery store, but you know what? All this shrimp is perfectly edible and cookable, and I don't care if it's not a whole shrimp. We are good. And we've got some chicken. Chicken chunks. These are great. We got chicken thighs. Little dark meat, little white meat. And that would be it for the box. So if you have any questions, suggestions for what to do with my experimentation, or if you want to start getting Imperfect Foods and get $10 off your first box, leave a comment in the comments below and I will hook you up. Until next time, keep cooking imperfect. Mwah!